Article 1 decides whose work this is. It sets the jurisdiction of your seniority list and the limits on contracting that work out. 2 crafts are covered: mechanic and related, and flight simulator technicians, both certified by the National Mediation Board in 2013. For both, the union is the sole bargaining agent. Here's the sentence everything hangs on. Aircraft, facilities, and ground equipment maintenance work belongs to the technician master seniority list. Simulator and cabin training work belongs to the simulator list. But note the ending, except as otherwise provided in this article. The rule is that the company shall not contract out work. Then come 4 exceptions: work already customarily contracted out, warranty returns to a manufacturer or approved repair station, work its facilities or people can't cover, and work at locations union employees haven't regularly performed. That's the floor. Contracting out cannot cause a reduction in force, and the company must notify the union in writing first. It also can't thin staffing by attrition and call you unavailable, or stop training you and call you unqualified. At a domestic airport with scheduled United service, where contracted line maintenance runs 6 continuous hours or more a day, 30 days or more in any 45-day period, a full-time aircraft technician position must be created. Ground equipment works the same way, with a catch. Where GSE maintenance was already contracted out under the prior sub-UA and sub-CO agreements, the 6-hour trigger rose to 12 on ratification, a higher bar at exactly those stations. Heavy maintenance offshore needs the union's approval, except the 767, 777, 787, 747, and A350, but holds 6 total domestic in-house heavy lines worked by IBT members, and narrow-body heavy checks can go non-US without asking. 2 protections tied to buildings. San Francisco's maintenance center, engine shop included, can't be sold off, though financing leasebacks, joint ventures, and unused capacity are carved out. And nobody at San Francisco or Houston can be forced to relocate. The article blocks the workaround too. No new airline flying 77-seat jets or bigger to dodge these terms. No domestic repair station unless covered employees do the work. And a marketing deal can't cut technician positions without an unrelated reason. Be clear about the other side. Except where this agreement expressly restricts it, the company keeps the right to sell or discontinue the business, lease out aircraft and facilities, code share, and pick its fleet. Past practices carry no obligation forward. If the union believes the company is abusing these subcontracting provisions, it's grieved and goes to an expedited hearing before the system board, heard and decided within 30 days of submission. 3 joint committees meet quarterly on contracting plans. Read Article 1 yourself.